Welcome to Module 2 of Project Management Fundamentals. This module kicks off with a discussion around the corporate strategy phases, which include vision, corporate requirements, and the business case. These represent the purpose and aims of the company as outlined by the company executives and come before the project phases in the project lifecycle, preceding project initiation and any involvement of the project manager. The project manager is usually not directly involved in the development of these phases, but must know about these corporate documents as they will support the project charter and project objectives. Next up in this module, we examine various project management methodologies and then look at what the considerations are for scoping a project and determining the project success criteria. When scoping a project, we define all the work that must be done to bring into being the project deliverables, assure the sponsor that the work and deliverables fulfill the requirements and acceptance criteria, and achieve the project objective. When determining project success criteria, we describe what project success looks like, so that once it has been achieved, it can be recognized. Following from the scope and success criteria, we look at the feasibility study, which is the initial design stage of any project. It brings together the elements of knowledge that indicate if a project is feasible or not. The importance of a feasibility study is based on the desire to get it right before committing resources, time, or budget to a project. Finally, this module looks at the execution and project commissioning and handover phases of a project. The project execution phase can be divided into two parts. The project build method, which explains how to manufacture, construct, or perform the project, and the project execution strategy, which determines who will execute the project. Project commissioning is the phase where the actual work is done and where a project is compared to the planned or required condition. Once the project's deliverables have been commissioned, approved, and accepted, the project can be handed over to the client.